the first secret. The first secret is about a hypothesis. If you have an idea, if you want to propose something, make sure the idea is testable. If your idea is not testable and it's discarded in science, scientists don't consider this. So for example, let me propose an idea. Okay. So children who are vaccinated, they have a high chance of getting food allergy. So this idea can be testable. Say for example, you can take two groups of children, and one groups who are exposed to vaccination, other group not exposed to vaccination, and then see how they are growing, how their allergies are as the age grows, and you can test it. And it doesn't matter whether hypothesis is right or wrong. It doesn't matter whether my idea is right or wrong, but still a hypothesis. But important thing is it is testable. If you can test it, then scientists will listen to you. Second secret is about the observations. When you do an experiment or any scientific experiment, so basically your observations must be unbiased. You should not get biased about what you want to find out in the experiment. And we don't go too far in science if you make biased judgments. Number 3 is about the results. When you have some results, make sure they are reproducible. Preferably they must be independently reproduced. What I mean by that is if you have results, you repeat the experiment, every time you get the same results, then there may be an accuracy and there is a possibility to rely on the data. So it's extremely important to have the reproducible data. That's number 3. So number 4, secret number 4 is about criticism. So it's extremely important to have some constructive criticism about the science, about the experiments, results, data, whatever we do in science. Criticism is actually helps to generate the progress. Do you know how it generates the progress? When somebody actually give an opposite opinion, then we may be slightly stressed, but we are pushed to find a new solution, looking at the data in an alternative angle, and to fill the knowledge gap and to find a better learning experience. We might go back and design a better experiment. So it's extremely important to have a constructive criticism. But if you are angry, if you are trying to protect yourself or ourselves about the data, then we don't grow much, we don't find an alternative solution. So if you are not skeptical, if you try to protect yourself, or if you get angry, take it personal, then it's actually detrimental for the progress. It actually, you can't make better progress with science. That's not science at all, basically. Alright? And also make sure, if you are questioning somebody, if you are criticizing someone else's data, it's nothing personal. Please do not criticize the author. This is not about the author. Make sure all your questions are about the data analysis, or how are the results, or the conclusions, or the claims. That's what the criticism is about in science. It's not about the author. You can go and do whatever you want, and when you criticize the author, there is a chance to lose the relationship. But if you criticize the data, a chance to build the relationship. That's my understanding about science. Okay, so secret number 4 is basically constructive criticism helps to make progress, and science stands for self-correction. That's secret number 4. Secret number 5 is actually simple. If you want to claim something at the end of your experiments, at the end of your project, anything you claim, make sure you have the data supports what you say. So data must be, your claims must be supported by data. If you don't have data, please do not claim.